In today's video, I'll show you a simple trick on how to save chats in Telegram app. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, open Telegram and find the conversation that contains the message you want to save.
Once you're inside the chat, find the specific message you want to keep. You can save useful information, such as important instructions, links, documents, photos, or messages that you may need to access again later. To save a message, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Forward. Telegram will now ask you where you want to forward the message. From the list of available chats, select Saved Messages. The message will now appear in your Saved Messages section. If you have more than one message you want to save, you can repeat the same process for each message. This is useful because you don't have to keep searching through your regular conversations whenever you need something important.
To access your saved content, tap the menu icon on the upper left. Then from the options, select Saved Messages. Inside Saved Messages, you'll see the messages you have forwarded there. Another useful thing about saved messages is that you can use it as a personal storage space for information from different Telegram conversations.
And that's it! Whether you're bookmarking single notes to your saved messages or exporting entire chat archives, your data stays secure. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more Telegram tips, and I'll see you in the next one.